This is an activation of the WAHC Emergency Operations Center Emergency Alert System, Missing Endangered Person Alert. The Pittsburgh Police Special Victims Unit detectives seek the public's assistance in locating a missing and endangered person. James Miles of Garfield is 76 years old. He is described as 5 foot 8 inches tall, weighs 180 pounds and has brown eyes with salt and pepper colored hair. He was last seen at the Edgewood Town Center around noon driving a beige Pontiac G6. Bearing PA registration LLT 1468. If you have any information on his whereabouts, please call police at 412-323-7141. This has been an activation of the WAHC Emergency Operations Center Emergency Alert System, and we now return you to regular programming. End of message.